Sorry.
Casualties of war.
Here is a picture of the people after 24 diet was violent.
An ending sea of the casualties of war.
There were during 3 years ago, during when we started the war, there were US military people volunteering to serve, help, right?
Yeah, yes. A lot of people from Europe as well.
And I know there was one from Thailand too, and he was captured. But he was still there.
We hope, but we don't know for sure. We don't have full official statistics about it.
And now it's not Korean, so
Yeah, yeah. Oh man, it's crazy. So crazy.
It's a long, long night. A depressing war, actually.
For advice, don't go to 100%. There's announcements every now and then the US embassy is closed, right? Because in my mind,
Now too.
yeah, close open, close open. So in my mind, if I get in trouble, that's where we go, right? For help.
When it's closed, it's very hard.
And these are the gates. Michael's Cathedral. It's now mainly a military
Not everyone
cathedral.
just leave and come back to United. Some of them already have families here, so.
Okay.